Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import products from Aliexpress to Amazon. Alright, let's begin. To import products from Aliexpress to your Amazon store, start by finding a product on Aliexpress that you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell a multifunctional keychain. Search for the item on Aliexpress, compare prices, and select a product that gives you a good profit margin. For example, if a product costs around $3.50 on Aliexpress and is selling for $11.32 on Amazon, that is a potential profit. Once you find a suitable product, open the listing and check the title, images, and description. Next, go to your Amazon Seller Central account and click on Add a Product. After that, enter a simplified version of the title from Aliexpress. Also, avoid copying the entire Aliexpress title, as they tend to be too long and cluttered. Then, save the images from the Aliexpress listing. If downloading is restricted, you can use a browser extension like AliSave to save the product images. Make sure to use clear images that match what your customers will receive. Finally, copy the product description, packaging details, and specifications, and paste them into your Amazon listing. So that's basically how you can import products from Aliexpress to Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.